Hey, good afternoon, y'all. So it's a nice day today here in South Carolina. Coming on live today, give y'all some value. So for those who don't know who I am, Dakota Grady here, author, speaker, money coach. Also, I'm a follower of Jesus, husband, girl dad, and hey, that's who I am. Next show. So real quick, share my story. For those who don't know who I am, so I'm sure you've had a job before, right? You maybe lost one job, two jobs, or maybe three. How about I lost four jobs, y'all? So when I lived in Tennessee, I lost a job because of me. I did accounting and taxes for businesses. I worked for different companies and just kept losing jobs. All because of me. Things happened, but I put the responsibility on me. So I lost my job in March of 2020 during the pandemic. I had to ask myself, do I want to keep doing the same thing I've been doing? I could have gone and got another job, sure, but it got taxing, tiring because I felt like I wasn't good enough, and it's not something was wrong with me. But I realized that things happen. It's life, and I realized I had assets I was sitting on, skills, knowledge that I had obtained by working for other people. So the next month, April 2020, started my own accounting and tax business and helping people doing the same thing I was doing for other people. Now I'm doing it for myself. I'm in year 3. That's right, year 3, y'all, of my business, doing accounting, taxes, and personal finance. Personal finance is my passion. Accounting taxes, basically, it pays the bills. So I want to be able to help people with their finances so they can live the life that they want. I do that through a 4-step method. And I've been doing that. I've been going through this method. Tell myself I'm going to do a live for 30 days to give value to my community so people can get help with finances and also business. So today I'm going to talk about the third M, which is maximize. Talk about mindset, maintaining. Today, 2-step process, maximize. Today, we're talking about doing what I believe is the basis of personal finance, financial literacy, the basis, y'all. And I believe one reason why people struggle with money is because they don't do this one thing. And that one thing is a money plan. A what? A money plan. A what? A money plan. What is a money plan? A money plan is simply a budget. That's right. I call it a money plan because you need to have a plan for your money. Think about it. When you go out of town, what do? You plan. You go on vacation, you plan. You get married, you plan, hopefully. You have kids, hopefully you plan, right? You do all those things to plan. All those things involve planning. Your money is no different. You need a plan for your money or you will be what I call broke. Y'all, I'm an author as well, so get your copy of my book called Broke, Secrets to Fix America's Financial Crisis on my website at dakotagrady.com. So I believe that people are broke because they don't do a money plan. Today I'm going to show you how to do a money plan. If you can do basic math, you can do a money plan. So let's get started, y'all. Here it is. Your money plan. All right, so you're making $4,000 a month. Basically, the basis of this is you give all your money an assignment. You budget like a boss. Your money is your employee. Let it work for you, right? So in our example, we made $4,000 for the month. And I believe you do a monthly money plan every single month, not annually. Someone said that they do a budget once a year. Wrong answer. You do a budget every month because every month is different. So make sure you do a monthly money plan. You can get a copy of the money plan for free on my website at dakotagrady.com, right? All right. So here it is, all right? So the money plan is we made $4,000 for the month, and we're budgeting, allocating our money to the money plan. So we budgeted $400 for giving, which is 10% for giving. I'm a tither. I'm a follower of Christ, so we tithe. Next, we have our rainy day fund that we talked about it yesterday of $300 for our rainy day fund. Then you got below that, you got your mortgage or your rent. Well, here we got our mortgage, right? So you're giving your money an assignment, working for you. So these right here could be a mixture of variable and fixed expenses. Let me explain. So fixed expenses could be like your home, your mortgage, your property taxes. Well, I'll say your mortgage, your utilities. Those things are fixed for the most part. I mean, they fluctuate with your utility, but you know you're gonna pay them every month, right? Your mortgage, if you got a fixed rate mortgage, same amount. You may have internet bill, same amount every month. Phone bill, same amount. So those are fixed bills, right? Now, one thing that may be variable may be your, say, your property taxes, right? Car insurance would be something that's fixed because if you pay the same amount every month, it's fixed, right? Say you may have some medical expenses. That's not fixed. Probably change every month. Or maybe you buy supplements. That may change with the prices. So you may have different things that are variable and fixed. The variable ones change, fixed ones don't change, right? So you want to look at your budget and you want to allocate your money, your income to those fixed and variable expenses, right? After you do that, you have you budgeted all your money, right? You gave your money an assignment. What you earned was $4,000 for the month, right? And you budgeted for $1,000 for the month. So you do 4,000 earnings minus 4,000, what you planned or spent or budgeted for equals zero. This is a zero-based money plan. In other words, you're living on what you actually earned, right? So what if you earned $4,000, but you planned for $8,000? That means you have more expenses than income. You're living above your means, in other words. So you got to either make more money, reduce your expenses, or do both. Let me say it again, ladies and gentlemen. If you are living above your means, you have to make more money, or reduce your expenses, or do both. You can't keep living above your means because eventually you're going to go broke and stay broke. And you wonder why you can't get ahead. Well, if you're living above your means, you cannot get ahead. You can't save because all your money's going out. And all you're doing is paying for expenses and you don't have any room for any margin. So make sure you budget your money and live within your means. On the flip side of that, what if you earned $4,000 and only budgeted $2,000? The money you didn't give an assignment is going to go away and you're going to wonder where it went to because you didn't give it an assignment. It's like hiring an employee, not training him or her, and then expect him to do the job, right? No. Hire the person, give them instructions, and help them do their job. Your money is the same way. Tell your money what to do every single month. Now, if you are behind on your bills, make sure you get caught up with your bills. Then come and do your money plan. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if I can do this, you can too. So, I believe wholeheartedly this is the foundation of accumulating wealth. Why? Because if you know how to manage your income, you can change your finances and your life because you know where your money is going, you know where it's coming in, and you just have more freedom to do with your money, what you want to do with it. Because if you don't manage your income, it'll go away. And looking at your bank account every day is not managing your finances. I believe this is the number one reason why people are struggling because they don't know how to do a budget. One guy told me, he said, I don't have any debt, so I don't need a budget. Wrong answer again, brother. You will never outgrow the need to manage your finances. Let me say it again. I don't care how much money you make, you will always need to manage your money because if you don't, you will be broke. That simple. So I hope this is valuable to you. Again, somebody told me before, he said, dude, the stuff you're teaching is elementary. I'm like, bro, I know, but the stuff I'm teaching, people aren't doing. Only 1/3 of people, according to one source, do a budget. 1/3 of people do a money plan. That means a majority of people don't do a money plan. That's why people are struggling financially. So make sure you get your free money plan today at thecodygrady.com. It's free. Click on the personal finance tab page, and you'll see it. It's under money plan. Sign up for the money plan. Get it today. It'll help you, and you won't be disappointed. So thank you for your time today, y'all. Enjoy your weekend. Also, get a copy of my book, Broke. Also at dakotagody.com. Y'all check it out. And this is, again, another episode of the Your Money Hour podcast.